Hey guys, remember this video? Remember that video? I'm gonna record right now. And this video, we're gonna be playing that game that really makes you rage a lot. Flood Escapes 2. I'm gonna just fucking on my own slop, boy. Someone help me. Whatever. We are going to be playing. So, Flood Escape freaking Raging 2. Let's get right into the video. You know? Hello. Look right here. I'm loading in. No, don't judge me. That's what I do. I can't see now. See, wait, we could do this. I forgot about that. Okay, so we go over here. Then we go over here. Wait, go over here. Then we go down here. Wait, what? Okay, now I'm just confused. You have to freaking go all the way down? Okay, here it is. Okay, I'm going the wrong way. Wait, no, I'm not. Okay. But anyways, we're just gonna play this game that make me play. Wait, I was going. Oh my god, I hate this. I'm already raging already. Don't make me more rageatively. Stop playing with familiar, not beneath. Familiar, not beneath. Beneath. Dang, my mouth is up to something. Oh shoot. Good thing it loaded just in time. Shoot. Are you sure, guys? I did it. Oh shoot, I fell. Okay. Okay, I got it, boys. Ah, no! I fell. I literally fell. Who's the last person standing? Yeah. How did he glitch in? He's glitching in. He's glitching in! How? This guy is glitching in. glitching. He's glitching. Oh my god. Can I beat him? Join him. Like me. Oh shit. Oh god, I almost fell. Oh! Oh! Did you fart? Ooh. How I made that? You saw that, guys. You have to admit, I made it. Admit. You have to admit. Admit it, admit it, admit it, admit it, admit it, admit it. No one did! Okay, now I'm raging already, guys. Give this a big fat like and subscribe, please. I'm already raging. Please help me. Save my life. Oh, look at him. Oh my god, he's so good. I hate this game and always will. God dang. For goodness sake. Your boy poops. Your boy poops. I just turned on a red thing. Yay. We're praying. We're praying. We're praying. Yay. Someone get that, please. I'm never gonna beat this level. This level is the hardest ever. You have to make that, then you have to go up here, then go up here, then go up here. Yeah, see, he died because he pooed it on his side. Why does everybody love this game? No, this is the hardest level in the world. That's why I hate this game. They put the most hardest. Ooh, I made it. Ooh, your boy made it. No. You be poppin', Mary Poppins. Abandoned abandoned facility. I'm literally just gonna jump back up here because it's abandoned. Go back over here. Go this way, this way, this way. Go quick! Oh, okay, go, go. Your boy is awesome. Don't die, boys. Ooh, I only had 16. Oh, dang it, never mind 6. I only had that much. I'm such a beast. That was a clutch. You gotta admit that was a clutch. Where's everybody? Come on, come on, come on, come on. No! Okay, I'm already quitting our Hey, losers! I actually glitched it. Did you see that? You gotta be jealous. This is actually the best I ever done with this thing. Weird thing called this Kylan Tribe Boo Boo stuff. Okay, I'm back. I'm so bad. I don't want to quit. I was out though. I hate this game. I hate this game. I'm going to my sad place. I'm going to my sad place. I'm literally going to my sad place. I'm going to my sad place. I need to relax. I'll make a part 2 of this. Once I get done raging and screaming and waking my family up. It's literally 11. I scream all the time when it's dark. Okay. Anyways, we're just gonna do one more. Freaking one more flood because y'all guys like it. Like it when I scream like a girl. Just go to scream like a girl. You guys just want me to scream like a girl. But might as well. Baka bayan mo. And no! I'll actually get this